English is agree. Japanese is sansei suru. Example, I agree with your idea. 私はあなたの考えに賛成します。Repeat, agree, agree. English is disagree. Japanese is hantai suru. Example, I disagree because it is too dangerous. それは危険すぎるので私は反対します。Repeat, disagree, disagree. English is opinion. Japanese is iken. Example, everyone has a different opinion. みんなそれぞれ違う意見を持っています。Repeat, opinion, opinion. English is reason. Japanese is liu. Example, what is the reason for your answer? あなたの答えの理由は何ですか? Repeat, reason, reason. English is explain. Japanese is 説明する. Example, please explain it in simple English. それを優しい英語で説明してください. Repeat, explain, explain, explain. English is decide. Japanese is 決める. Example, we will decide tomorrow after the meeting. 私たちは会議の後で明日決めます. Repeat, decide, decide. English is choice. Japanese is 選択. Example, this is a difficult choice for me. これは私にとって難しい選択です. Repeat, choice, choice. English is suggest. Japanese is 提案する. Example, I suggest a new plan for the event. 私はイベントの新しい計画を提案します. Repeat, suggest, suggest. English is prefer. Japanese is より好む. Example, I prefer tea to coffee. 私はコーヒーよりお茶の方が好きです. Repeat, prefer, prefer. English is discuss. Japanese is 話し合う. Example, we will discuss the topic in groups. 私たちはグループでその話題を話し合います. Repeat, discuss, discuss. English is early. Japanese is 早い. Example, he always gets up early on weekdays. 彼は平日いつも早く起きます. Repeat, early, early. English is late. Japanese is 遅い. Example, I was late for school this morning. 私は今朝学校に遅れてしまいました. Repeat, late, late. English is on time. Japanese is 時間通り. Example, the bus arrived on time today. 今日はバスが時間通りに到着しました. Repeat, on time, on time. English is schedule change. Japanese is 予定変更. Example, there was a schedule change for the trip. 旅行の予定変更がありました. Repeat, schedule change, schedule change. English is delay. Japanese is 遅れ. Example, the train had a 10-minute delay. 電車は10分の遅れがありました. Repeat, delay, delay. English is cancel. Japanese is 中止する. Example, they had to cancel the game because of rain. 雨のため彼らは試合を中止しなければなりませんでした. Repeat, cancel, cancel. English is prepare. Japanese is 準備する. Example, we need to prepare for the test. 私たちはテストの準備をする必要があります. Repeat, prepare, prepare. English is check in. Japanese is check in する. Example, we will check in at the hotel at 3. 私たちは3時にホテルにチェックインします. Repeat, check in, check in. English is check out. Japanese is チェックアウトする. Example, please check out before 11. 11時までにチェックアウトしてください. Repeat, check out, check out. English is luggage fee. Japanese is 手荷物料金. Example, we had to pay a luggage fee at the airport. 私たちは空港で手荷物料金を払わなければなりませんでした. Repeat, luggage fee, luggage fee. English is invention. Japanese is 発明. Example, the telephone is a famous invention. 電話は有名な発明です. Repeat, invention, invention. English is discovery. Japanese is 発見. Example, the discovery was very important for science. その発見は科学にとってとても重要でした. Repeat, discovery. Discovery. English is experiment. Japanese is 実験. Example, we did a science experiment in class. 私たちは授業で科学の実験をしました. Repeat, experiment, experiment. English is scientist. Japanese is 科学者. Example, a scientist studies many things about nature. 科学者は自然についてたくさん研究します. Repeat, scientist, scientist. English is research. Japanese is 研究. Example, she is doing research on clean energy. 彼女はクリーンエネルギーについて研究しています. Repeat, research, research. English is battery. Japanese is 電池. Example, my phone battery is almost empty. 私の電話の電池はほとんど残っていません. Repeat, battery, battery. English is electric. Japanese is 電気の. Example, we use many electric machines at home. 私たちは家で多くの電気の機械を使います. Repeat, electric, electric. English is energy. Japanese is エネルギー. Example, solar energy is good for the environment. 太陽エネルギーは環境に良いです. Repeat, energy, energy. English is machine. Japanese is 機械. Example, this machine can make many copies quickly. この機械は素早くたくさんのコピーを作れます. Repeat, machine, machine. English is robot. Japanese is robot too. Example, in the future, robots may help us at home. 将来ロボットは家で私たちを助けてくれるかもしれません. Repeat, robot, robot. English is planet. Japanese is 惑星. Example, Earth is the third planet from the sun. 地球は太陽から3番目の惑星です. Repeat, planet, planet. English is space. Japanese is 宇宙. Example, he wants to learn more about space. 彼はもっと宇宙について学びたいと思っています. Repeat, space, space. English is astronaut. Japanese is 宇宙飛行士. Example, being an astronaut is his dream. 宇宙飛行士になることは彼の夢です. Repeat, astronaut, astronaut. English is rocket. Japanese is rocket. Example, the rocket went up into the sky. ロケットは空へ打ち上げられました. Repeat, rocket, rocket. English is satellite. Japanese is 衛星. Example, the satellite sends signals to Earth. その衛星は地球に信号を送ります. Repeat, satellite, satellite. English is universe. Japanese is 宇宙. Example, the universe is very big and mysterious. 宇宙はとても大きくて神秘的です. Repeat, universe, universe. English is gravity. Japanese is 重力. Example, because of gravity, we can stand on the ground. 重力があるので、私たちは地面に立つことができます. Repeat, gravity, gravity. English is telescope. Japanese is 望遠鏡. Example, we used a telescope to see the stars. 私たちは星を見るために望遠鏡を使いました. Repeat, telescope, telescope. English is scientist team. Japanese is 科学者チーム. Example, the scientist team worked together on the project. 科学者チームはそのプロジェクトで協力しました. Repeat, scientist team, scientist team. English is space station. Japanese is 宇宙 station. Example, a few people live on the space station. 何人かの人が宇宙ステーションで生活しています. Repeat, space station, space station. English is communication. Japanese is communication. Example, good communication is important in a team. チームでは良いコミュニケーションが大切です. Repeat, communication, communication. English is conversation. Japanese is 会話. Example, I had a long conversation with my friend. 私は友達と長い会話をしました. Repeat, conversation, conversation. English is topic. Japanese is 話題. Example, the topic of today's lesson is culture. 今日の授業の話題は文化です. Repeat, topic, topic. English is message. Japanese is message. Example, I left a message on his phone. 私は彼の電話にメッセージを残しました. Repeat, message, message. English is reply. Japanese is 返事. Example, thank you for your quick reply. 素早い返事をありがとうございます. Repeat, reply, reply. English is voice call. Japanese is 音声通話. Example, We had a voice call last night. 私たちはゆうべ音声通話をしました。Repeat, voice call, voice call. English is text chat. Japanese is tekisto chatto. Example, text chat is useful when you are busy. Tekisto chatto wa isugashii toki ni benri desu. Repeat, text chat, text chat. English is translate. Japanese is honyaku suru. Example, I used an app to translate the sentence. 私はその文を翻訳するためにアプリを使いました。Repeat, translate, translate. English is interpreter. Japanese is 通訳. Example, the interpreter helped us at the meeting. 通訳の人が会議で私たちを助けてくれました。Repeat, interpreter, interpreter. English is body language. Japanese is body language. Example, body language is important in communication. Communication では body language も大切です。Repeat, body language, body language.
Thanks for watching. Let's learn again tomorrow. Subscribe for more English. Bye bye.